Email marketing is a great way to grow your business, get more sales, and do repeat business with existing customers. So in this video, I'm gonna share an email marketing strategy that'll help you do that. Hey, what's going on? My name is Benjamin, and in this video, I'm gonna share an email marketing strategy to help you grow your business, get more sales, and also do repeat business with existing customers. So without further ado, let me just get right into this video. So the first thing you wanna do is have a lead magnet. So a lead magnet is something that's going to be valuable to your potential customer, and you're going to give it away to them in exchange for their email. So this is the first step to getting your foot in the door into doing business with your potential customer. Now, when creating a lead magnet, you want to have something that's actually going to help and solve a problem for your potential customer. You don't want to just collect their email and say, sign up for this newsletter to stay updated. If somebody is brand new to your business or company, they're not going to be interested in getting updated because they don't really know exactly what you do or if your information is going to be valuable to them. So starting off by giving away a lead magnet that's going to be valuable to them, that's going to solve a problem that they have, it's going to show in their eyes that you're actually delivering value and you're interested in helping them solve their problem. So for example, if you're in the business of helping people lose weight, you can have a lead magnet that gives away a 3-day meal plan for the keto diet. Now, people who are interested in losing weight with the keto diet, they're gonna be interested in getting that lead magnet, so they have no problem entering their name and their email in order to receive it. Now, another important thing to do when it comes to email marketing is to personalize your emails. If you're using an email software service, they have a bunch of different templates that you can use that look pretty fancy, but I recommend to stay away from those because usually when people receive those type of emails, those are usually in the form of advertisements. So anytime you use those templates and you send out an email to the people on your list, they're gonna just see your emails as an advertisement. So whenever they see your emails, they're gonna expect that you want them to buy something. So I recommend just using simple text in your emails, maybe adding a picture or two of yourself, maybe even a GIF, or even a picture of a thumbnail to a YouTube video that'll help them out whatever your email is really talking about. Something to keep in mind is if you're sending out an email to your list, just pretend like you're sending an email to a friend. You're gonna create that email with just the simple text, just the subject, and basically whatever that email is gonna be talking about. You're not gonna have these fancy templates, you're not gonna have these fancy images or promotions that you're gonna send to them. When you send out an email just using simple text, people aren't gonna regard it as an advertisement, they're gonna just see it as they're receiving an email from a friend of theirs or somebody that they know. Okay, so real quick, I just want to say if you're getting value from this video so far, and if you're interested in learning different ways to make money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Another important tip when it comes to email marketing is to clean your list. So after a while, when you're getting leads, you're getting people added onto your list, you're going to have a lot of people who are going to be unresponsive. People are just going to be added to your email list because they're just interested in getting your lead magnet. They're not really interested in doing business with you. They're just interested in what you have to offer up front, and they're likely not going to open any other emails that you send to them in the future. Now, there's a couple of reasons why you should clean out your email list every so often. I would recommend maybe every 2 to 3 months, depending on how big or how frequently you get people added to your email list. One reason why you should clean out your email list is because most email software services, they charge you based on how big your email list is. So if you have 100,000 people on your email list, but only 10,000 of them are actually active, then it's really a waste of money to have 90,000 people who are unactive, not opening up your emails, not clicking on any of your links on your list, because you're getting charged for those people. Another reason why you should clean out your email list is because it hurts your deliverability score. Whenever you send out an email to the people on your list, that email software service is going to recognize how many people are actually opening up that email and how many are clicking on the links in your email. So if your emails are getting low open rates, then your emails are more likely to go to the spam folder or the promotions tab. Now, one important thing to do is to add value in your emails. You don't always want to just spam with your affiliate links or the links to your products or your service. You want to actually add value in your emails. Now, adding value can mean a variety of different things. It can be helping people with a problem that you know that they're dealing with. It can be sharing some tips that you've learned on your journey, whatever business that you're in. Or it can even mean telling a personal story that you've gone through that you know that your target audience is going through or they went through themselves. When you add value in your emails, it's going to make the people on your email list look forward to actually opening up and reading your emails, as opposed to somebody who's always promoting a product to them. Now, I know you might be thinking, well, the whole point of email marketing is to make money. Now, that is true, but you don't want to constantly barrage your email list with promotion after promotion after promotion. And when it comes to promoting a product in your emails, you don't want to just outright say, hey, buy this product, it'll change your life. What you want to get into the habit of is storytelling. Basically saying, my life looked like this before I tried this product. Here's what I've gone through. I've tried this product, and now this is what my life looks like now. Now, this is where copywriting can really help you out. Now, if you're not familiar with copywriting, it's writing powerful words that sell, get people to take action, and just also tells a powerful story. Now, if you're interested in learning copywriting, how to write powerful words that sell, I'll leave a link in the description of this video to a copywriter's playbook. Now, I highly recommend checking that out if you're looking to take your email marketing strategy to the next level. Now, one more tip that I wanted to share with you is to use captivating subject lines. This is more likely to get people to open up and read your emails. So a couple of examples of using captivating subject lines would be something like 3 simple things to blank, the number 1 secret to blank, 10 reasons why you should blank. And also using people's first names in your subject line is more likely to get them to click and open that email. Now, most email software services have the option where you can use a person's first name in the subject line. So just following this simple email marketing strategy will help you increase your open rates, get people to read your emails, and get people to click on your links. So like I mentioned earlier, if you're looking to take your email marketing strategy to the next level, then check out the copywriter's playbook in the description down below. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you got some value from it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.